Bhumika Vasyani. Welcome you all to learn English with Saraswati Group of Education. Today we are going to talk about compound words. The words which are formed by joining two words together, they are known as compound words. Basically, there are three types of compound words. The first type is hyphenated compound words. In hyphenated compound words, two or more words are joined together by putting a hyphen in between the words. For example, merry-go-round, up-to-date, self-confidence, dry cleaning, father-in-law. All the words which have hyphen in between, they are known as hyphenated compound words. The second type of compound word is known as open compound word. In open compound words, a new word is formed by joining two words together but by keeping space in between two words. For example, ice cream, dinner table, coffee mug, full moon, drawing book, all these are such type of examples in which the two words are joined together but there is a little space in between which is pronounced as one word but they are written with a space in between. The third type of words are closed compound words. A new word is formed by putting or joining two words together but without any hyphen or without keeping any type of space. Here are some examples which are notebooks, sunrise or sunlight, backpack, bedspread. All these are different types of examples of closed compound words. Now, in standard 3, we are going to focus on closed compound words. Let us see in detail which are the other words which are known as closed compound words and how can we process them. Which are the words which we can consider as closed compound words. Which are the words which are combined or joined together to make a new word.
Okay, now as we were learning compound words, I had told you that this time we are having a little bit of different type of learning. That is fun plus learning. So let us start with it. Now here it is given multiple choice questions. You will be getting multiple choice questions and you will have to select one answer which is correct for that. So let us start. Choose the compound word. Now here four things are given. Let us go through that first. Beautiful, none of these, happiness, starfish. Now here four things are given from which we will have to choose a compound word. A word which is made up of two words. So I guess it is starfish. Now let me check whether my guessing is correct or not. For that I will have to submit. Oh yes, green means correct. So star and fish. These are the two words which make one compound word, that is starfish. Let us proceed further. Again we will have to choose the compound word. Let us see all the four words which are given. Spotted, notebook, thieves, none of these. None of these means not any one of these, okay, which are given here. So if I just go again, spotted, notebook, thieves, then I will choose notebook. Let me see whether my guessing is correct or not. Again, I will have to submit that. Oh yes, it is correct. The word notebook is made up of two words, that is note plus book. Let us go further. Choose the compound word. Now the words which are given here are computer, building, cupcakes, or none of these. Now let me see that which word is made up of two words. Computer, no. Building, no, not of this. And yes, obviously it cannot be none of these. The answer will not be that. So let us go for cupcakes. Submit. Yes, cupcakes is the correct answer because that single word is made up of two words, that is cup plus cakes. Cupcakes. Let us see here now which are the next words given to us. Choose the compound word. Now let us again go through all the four words which are given. Delicious, none of these, flower pot, balloons. Now delicious, no. None of these cannot be the answer. Flower pot or balloons. Balloons, no. Let me guess on flower pot. Let me submit. Oh yes, that is the correct answer. Flower pot. This word is made up of two words, that is flower plus pot. Flower pot. Very good. Now let us go to the next thing. Again, I will have to read the four words which are given here. That is monkey, bedroom, none of these, or shirt. None of these will not be the answer as we know. Let us go through the other three words once again. Monkey, bedroom, shirt. Now monkey, no, I don't think so. Shirt, no. Bedroom. Let me guess on bedroom. Let me submit. Yes, bedroom. Two words join together and make one single word, that is bedroom. Let me go to the next word. Choose the compound word, and again all the four words we are going to read. Singer, none of these, cooked, flashlight. It will be, according to me, flashlight. Let me submit that. Oh yes, that is correct. Flashlight. These two words combine and make one single word, flashlight. Okay? Now, let us go to level 2. Again, we are having multiple choice questions. Let us start. Make a compound word by choosing the correct option. Now here, one word is given and we will have to find out the another connecting word which can make a single word, new word. So, one word is given here in the question, that is week. W-E-E-K, week. Now let us find out which word can we join here and make a new word. Let us go through all the three words first. Day, story, up. Now, week up, no. Week story, no. Let me guess on weekday. Let me submit. Oh yes, that is a correct word. Weekday. We have made a new word, weekday. Let us go to the next screen. Make a compound word by choosing the correct option. The second word which we have got in the question is basket. basket. So let us read the three words which are given down here. Ball, mat, straw. Let me choose one by one and find out which one makes a word. Basket, straw? No. Basket, mat? No. Let me guess on this word. Basketball? Yes. The two words can combine and make a new word, that is basketball. Let us go to the next screen and find out. Okay, now this time the word which is given to us, that is gold. Okay, so let us try to match up one by one and find out whether which word is going to create a new word by joining with gold. Gold cup? No, very less heard I have. Gold sky? No, it cannot be. Goldfish? Let me guess upon this. Yes, I have heard frequently, so let us find out. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Goldfish. So the two words combine gold plus fish and make a new word, that is goldfish. That is a type of fish. Now this time we have got the word tree. Now let us see which word will match up with tree and make a new word. The three words which are given are house, door, stop. Tree, stop. No, doesn't match. Tree, door. No. Tree, house. Let me guess if it is tree house. Oh yes, these two words have matched together, combined and created a new word, a compound word, that is tree house. Let us go to the next one. Make a compound word by choosing the correct option. Now, this time we have got the word tea, T-E-A-T. Now, three words which are given to us, they are pot, road, tin. Let us try and match one by one. T10. No. T road. No, I have not heard such T road. Can I make up the pair with this word? Teapot. Yes, that is teapot. That is correct. The two words tea plus pot makes a new compound word, that is teapot, in which we store tea. We put tea. That is teapot. Now let us proceed. Let us go to level 3 of our game. And this is drag and drop. Drag means to pull something, and drop, where do we have to drop the words? Let us see. Oh, here fill in the blanks are there. So boxes are given and the word boxes are given down here, from which we will have to put the words in appropriate places. So let us read the blanks one by one. Then we can see whether the words are matching or not. We can complete the sentence correctly or not. First one is dash is at the door. Now if I put this word, let me guess what it will be. Toothbrush is at the door. No, doesn't sound correct, right? If I say beehive is at the door. No, that also doesn't sound correct. tablecloth is at the door. Now you will think that what will the tablecloth be doing at the door? No, so that is also incorrect according to me. Sandcastle is at the door. Now sandcastle cannot be at the door. The next word is somebody. Somebody is at the door. Oh yes, let me just put it here and find out whether it is correct or not, because we can say somebody is at the door. That means somebody is standing at the door and they might be ringing the doorbell or they might be knocking at the. So we have put it somebody. That was correct. Now let me guess, as I was telling that I brush my teeth. So we brush our teeth with toothbrush. Let me keep it here. Let us go to the third one. Bees live in a dash. Bees live in a sandcastle? No, bees cannot live in a sandcastle. Tablecloth? Oh no, bees cannot live in a tablecloth. So, bees live in a beehive. My mother was angry because I spilled soup on the sandcastle. No, then tablecloth. Yes, as I am sitting at the dining table and having my soup, so by mistake I had spilled my soup on the tablecloth and my mother was angry. The children made a dash on the beach. Now when we visit beach, there is sand all over, so we enjoy playing making sand castle. Now according to my understanding, I have put all the words into their places. Now let me submit and get the result that whether I am guessing all the words right or not. Wow! All the words which we have guessed together are correct. Okay? Here in the first word, it is showing somebody. So it is made up of two words, some and body, somebody. It is pronounced as not somebody but somebody. Okay? And look at the second word. It is toothbrush. Again made up of two words, tooth and brush. Toothbrush. Okay? Now let us go to the next word, that is beehive. Even beehive is made up of two words, B-E-E, and the next word is hive, H-I-V-E, hive. Hive means the house of bees. That is known as beehive. Next word is tablecloth. Now here also you can make out now that two words are combined and a new word is created, that is tablecloth. Table plus cloth. So two words we combine and we make a single compound word, that is tablecloth, which is used to spread on the table, on the dining table. Let us see the next word, that is sandcastle. Now sand plus castle. So two words are matched up together and made up a new word, that is sandcastle. Okay? It was great fun doing all these things, right? Yes. Now all the words which we have written, which we have selected, you can watch this video lecture again and then you can write it in your grammar book one time. Okay? In your grammar book one time.
Along with this video lecture, you are going to get a worksheet which you have to do as homework. In the worksheet, there will be 3 questions. Question number 1, in that pictures will be given and you will have to see the pictures and combine the words of the name of the pictures and form a compound word. Okay, you will have to combine the name of those two pictures and you have to make a new compound word. In question number 2, you will have to find and write an appropriate word from the word box which is given below, and you will have to form a new compound word. In question number 3, it is a sort of little bit of test, that all the things which we have learned in this video lecture, that is closed compound words, a compound word will be given and you will have to identify whether which two words are joined together to make this word. So you have to identify which are the two different words that has come together and made this compound word. So there two blanks will be given, then you will have to write the two words. Okay? There are two ways of doing the worksheet. Option number 1 is either you take the printout of the worksheet, or option number 2 is you have to copy the worksheet in your grammar book and write the answers. If you are opting for the worksheet, taking printout of the worksheet, then you will be able to write the answers in itself as the answer space is given in the worksheet. But if you are opting for writing the answers in your grammar book, then you will have to be careful about neatness. Mention each and everything properly without any spelling errors. So please make your grammar book very neat and clean. Okay? Copy the instructions correctly and write the words also correctly. Thank you.